So how do we manifest success, abundance, and happiness? I'm going to tell you the 3 things you need to do and give you one of them here. Actually give you, you'll see what I mean in a minute if you just follow the video. First of all, who am I as a person to be able to say what manifestation is and how to do it? Well, quite frankly, I'm someone that has been doing this work for a long time. I've helped a lot of people increase their wealth, increase happiness, both private clients, offline and online. I have also manifested things for myself. I've practiced many different styles of manifestation. I have tested what works and what doesn't. So let's get stuck into this. As I said, there are 3 things that we need to do. The first thing most people will say that we need to use are affirmations. Well, the problem with using affirmations is, first of all, if we are constantly stating to ourselves we want something, what we're actually saying to our subconscious mind is we don't have it. Now, we could use the argument, yes, but affirmations are installing a new program. Indeed, they are installing a new program, but they are installing a new program on top of the old program. So what you're actually going to end up with is 2 conflicting programs in your mind. So if you have 2 conflicting programs running on a computer, that would cause the computer to be a little bit glitchy, a little bit buggy, right? So yeah, it's not really going to work that well, is it? What we have to do in that case is use a technique, for example, shadow work, or we have to use introspection, or we have to use self-analysis to ask ourselves questions about what the program we have is and how we feel about abundance, success, happiness, wealth, whatever it is we're trying to manifest. The second thing we have to do is we have to understand how we react emotionally to the thing we're trying to manifest. Now, these 2 first parts, I go into and I explain and I give you exercises in my course. You will find my course at theawakeningenergy.com, Manifest with Skeed on the first page. Click there and you can go straight. You will find right there in front of you a link where you can go straight to the course. The course is very cheap. I'm not trying to upsell you anything else. It's just the course. I want to help you get where you want to get. So you can go and do that. And it is very cheap. I have had other people calculate this for me, and this course is worth anything up to, or anything from $400 and upwards. And I'm giving it to you for less than a night out on the town. The third thing we need, and this is what I'm going to give you right here, right now in this video, that is your energy, the right energy, the right vibration of manifesting. Before we do that, I'm just going to explain a little bit more the second one. The emotions. How do you feel when you see a luxury car? How do you feel when you see a luxury plane? How do you feel when you go to a shopping area that has luxury brands? If we're talking about finance, if we're talking about attracting a partner, happiness, using a partner, then how do we feel when we see people on the street kissing? How do we feel when we see people hugging? If it's to manifest happiness, when we see people having happiness, how does it make us feel? Do we feel jealous? Do we feel envious? Do we feel, that's what I want? That's what I want. Again, goes back to affirmations. What you have to do is change your emotional triggers to, this is what I have now. As I said, I go into that in depth in the course. And the third part is the energy. So we are going to do a little energy meditation here, and I'm going to transmit to you the frequency of manifestation. I am an energy master. I do Reiki, I do Kundalini, I do light body. There are many, many different techniques I use for this. So if you're ready, all you have to do is feel what we call your personal space around your body and feel the connection of the energy coming from the screen. That's it. Just be open to receiving it. So I'm going to give you a short but powerful taster here. Again, there is more of this in the course if you wish to do it. But just to give you a taster here, we're going to do a couple of minutes. So if you're ready, you can close your eyes. You can just take a deep breath. By now, you should be feeling something coming from your screen. If you can't feel it, it actually doesn't matter. If you can't feel it, pay attention to your dreams tonight. If you're a person that dreams a lot, maybe tonight you don't dream, or vice versa. This will also help you tell that you did actually receive this energy. Remember, whilst you are feeling this, the best thing you can do is just to feel gratitude. Gratitude to yourself for watching this video. Gratitude for the algorithm for providing this video to you. Gratitude, just pure gratitude for life. Gratitude for the abundance that is already yours now. Just feel it. So we can start to change our vibration to that of manifesting openness, abundance, happiness, success, wealth. Remember this combined with the other two things, fixing the internal program, fixing the emotional triggers. These are the three keys you need to be able to manifest abundance, happiness, wealth, whatever it is you seek. If you feel like an emotion, a smile, a tear, a yawn, a cough, whatever it is comes, just let it happen. If any emotions arise, just let them arise. It's good. Let them arise, let them release. So now you can either use this and work on the other two things by yourself, which is absolutely awesome to do. Or as I said, you can go and take the course. I'll leave a link in the description of the video. You can go take the course where I give you everything you need to create the life you deserve. Remember, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, hit that like button, share it with everybody else you know who wishes to have the same in their life. See you in another video. I look forward to seeing you in the course as well.